So I'm here in Sparks, Nevada, just about a mile or two outside of Reno. I bet you they're doing some real deal barbecue. This is Carolina Kitchen and Barbecue Company.
We did the chicken wing competition. We did first place for about 5 years. 5 wing nachos up.
The smoked wing nachos are awesome.
Everything that you usually see on nachos now suddenly is on chicken. They're just devastating.
We have our chicken wings. We're gonna make our smoked wing nachos. We're gonna rub them down with some oil.
Oil only.
That's it.
No salt, no pepper now.
Not yet, because we're gonna deep fry them. We don't want that char flavor on the rub.
Okay. That's a big wing. There's a couple wingless pterodactyls out there.
Smoke them for about 45 minutes, 275.
Okay, come out of the smoker, into the fryer. All right, what are you into?
Dry rub, which is half Cajun seasoning, half rib rub. This is our Cajun seasoning, paprika, salt, granulated garlic, black pepper, white pepper, onion powder, ground thyme, dry mustard, and chili powder.
Got it.
Now we're gonna go rib rub, salt, white pepper, paprika, black pepper, chili powder,
This is gonna get interesting in a second. Sugar?
white sugar, brown sugar clumps, granulated garlic.
You don't find the burn on the white sugar?
No, I like it.
You've won competitions with this rub.
I have.
I won't tell anybody.
Do a little half and half here.
And this is what we're gonna sprinkle on the wings.
Hit it with some moonshine barbecue sauce, cheese, bacon. Pop it in the oven for a minute.
Okay? So where are the tortillas?
There are no tortillas. The wing is the nacho. It has all the toppings on it. All right.
This I gotta see.
Diced tomato,
How are you gonna get the tomato to stay on the chicken wing?
green onion, spicy ranch, sour cream.
It's a really good wing. I love the smoke, little fry to it. When you do tortilla chip, you get the crunch of the outside of the wing. The cheese melts on really nice. Then you have the bacon sticking to it, so you get all best of both worlds all over it. You hit that moonshine sauce on there, which is dynamite. You get yourself some of the cool sour cream. That's one of the most unique dishes I've seen on Triple D, and you actually pull it off. Well done.
Thank you.
There's so much going on here, but it all works really, really well.
Sour cream on a wing is delicious. It's something I haven't had.
They're amazing.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yes.